bribery of public officials undermines the foundation of devolution. If true, both those who pay and those who receive bribes must face the full force of the law.
Both the Senate and the Council of Governors have sworn to duty to make devolution work for the people of Kenya. Secrecy must end. Oversight must be opened. CSOs must be given observer status. The people must be allowed to watch.
As Kenya Devolution Civil Society Working Group, we are saying Kenyan citizens must address this. This is where we need Article 1 of the Constitution of Kenya to be evoked, to be put into practice. And we have a good opportunity between now and the elections in 2027.